Plastics and polymers are the foundation of modern manufacturing, enabling innovation across industries such as automotive, packaging, construction, electronics, healthcare, consumer goods, and industrial engineering. Manufacturing high-performance plastic and polymer products requires precise process control, efficient production planning, strict quality management, and complete traceability. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline every stage of plastics and polymers manufacturing while improving productivity, quality, and operational efficiency. With PMTechERP, every business function is integrated into a single intelligent platform. From formulation management, bill of materials, and raw material procurement to production planning, compounding, extrusion, injection molding, blow molding, thermoforming, quality inspection, inventory management, packaging, and dispatch, every process is seamlessly connected. This eliminates manual operations, improves collaboration, and provides real-time visibility across the entire manufacturing lifecycle. Advanced production planning enables manufacturers to optimize machine utilization, monitor material consumption,